Hi everyone! Today, we will implement the flashback feature. We will show the process after inserting the needle into a vein and attaching the collection tube. Flashback is when blood flows back into the hub and the needle as it enters the vein. This allows you to confirm that the needle is safely inside the blood vessel. This indicator bus confirms that the needle has properly advanced into the blood vessel. On the other hand, if the needle misses the vein, there will be no flashback, which means a failed attempt. Here, we are setting up the flashback mechanism. You see the base of the needle turn red once it hits the vein. It looks like the flashback is working correctly. The bit has now turned red. However, we are having some trouble connecting the needle to the syringe. I'm going to rewrite the transform code so that the needle and the tube overlap properly. It looks like it worked this time. For now, we'll call this complete. Starting next time, I'd like to begin modeling the arm imprinter. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.